Good day everyone. In this video, I will discuss about telecommunication protocols. First, let's define what is protocols. Protocols is a set of rules that govern communication between computers and other computer-related devices that exchange data. The rules include what types of data may be transmitted, what commands are used to send and receive data, and how data transfers are confirmed. You can think of a protocol as a spoken language. Each language has its own rules and vocabulary. If two people share the same language, they can communicate effectively. Similarly, if two hardware devices support the same protocols, they can communicate each other. Protocols, usually called standards, do not necessarily compete with each other. They often work together or serve different purposes. The most important pervasive set of protocols for telecommunication and networks today is called TCP and Internet protocols. Now, let's proceed to Transmission Control Protocol. Ensures that the packets arrive accurately and the proper order. And also is a standard that defines how to establish and maintain a network conversation by which application can exchange data. For example is Instagram, Google, or Messenger. While the Internet Protocol ensures delivery of packets from node to node in the most efficient manner, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the Internet or local network. In essence, Internet Protocol addresses are identifier that allows informations to be sent between devices on a network. They contain location information and make devices accessible for communication. Now, let's proceed to Ethernet, known as a contention-based protocol because devices on the network contend with each other devices on the network for transmission time. Each device constantly monitors the network to see if other devices are transmitting. Ethernet are used to provide an internet connection, connect device to a local network. Ethernet is the traditional technology for connecting devices in a wired local area network. It enables devices to communicate with each other via a protocol which with each other which is a set of rules or common network language. A protocol called carrier sends multiple access with collision detection ensures that if two devices want to transmit at the same time, they will detect the conflict and one will yield to each other. Now, let's proceed to wireless protocols. One of the examples of wireless protocol is wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi. The wireless technology used to connect computer, tablets, smartphones, and other devices to the internet allows us to access the internet while on the move. We can remain online while moving from one area to another without a disconnection or loss in coverage. Now, let's proceed to Bluetooth. Bluetooth standards was developed for devices that communicate with each other without a short range of up to 10 meters and 33 feet in the office, at home, and monitor vehicles. It transmits voice and data. It allows devices communicate with each other without cables or wires. Next is WiMAX, or Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. increases the range and speed of wireless communication. It might potentially reach up to 110 kilometers and about 70 miles with a speed of 100 megabytes per second. However, it typically reaches 13 to 16 kilometers and 8 to 10 miles. In that telecommunication technology aim at providing wireless data over long distance in a variety of ways, from point-to-point links to full mobile cellular types access. This is the WEMAX network work, and the mobile broadband wireless access functions similarly to cell phones communication because it's controlled communication from stationary towers. The purpose of mobile broadband wireless access is to provide mobile communication that is compatible with Internet Protocol services. This should enable worldwide deployment of affordable always-on wireless access. The principle is simple. Place wireless router on towers so that mobile phones can use Internet Protocol access to each other. Internet resources over wide areas and eventually globally. These are the example of how mobile broadband wireless access works. And next, in this figure shows wireless networking protocols. Next, let's proceed to generation in mobile communication. The first generation, or IG, was analog and used circuit switching. Then, second protocols became the first to provide digital voice encoding, and they work at faster transmission rates. These include the Global System for Mobile and Code Division Multiple Access Protocols. The 3G protocol support transmission rates of 1 megabytes per second. The protocol supports video conferencing, and full internet